Stand up there, wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me right down, man, say you get a back shot. That me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
How me I make the thing look away?
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
How me I make the thing look freaky? How you tell me I right down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back.
What?
You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No. I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over.
Hey, yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, because me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer, I'm reporting.
So me nobody want your help.
Me I report a sexual assault in the R3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot. Yeah.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston.
My beautiful people, just after sharing with you videos that claim that Jamaica is the most influential black country in the world, whereby I faced some discrimination. Some people chose to insult me, others chose to unsubscribe to my channel just because of speaking the truth. Now here again, I have made a compilation of videos that totally proves to you that Jamaica is indeed a blessed country, and Jamaica is indeed a country that's most loved and the most influential black country in the entire universe. Now in these videos that I'm about to play for you, it's about these popular comedians that you are well aware of, but in this case, in all their shows, they have been trying to appreciate Jamaica. They have praised Jamaica. And remind you, me, this didn't just happen in Jamaica. It happened worldwide. Not in the Caribbean, not in Jamaica, not in Europe, not in Africa, but worldwide. These great artists, these great comedians, they made sure that they acknowledged Jamaica. They gave Jamaica the flowers that Jamaica deserves. Now, I'm your host, Tyrell Reaction. I have to appreciate you all for 1,070 subscribers. And it's all because of you, for your support and love. So guys, I want you to watch this video whereby the Jamaicans, they took the world by storm. So watch this video up to the end and then I'll be back with a few comments.
Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. I, man, a brethren, is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never gonna see a Jamaican guy that grew up with a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, whopping. Not gonna happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's... You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me two. Is it right? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon. Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here, yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, good pum-pum deserves shelter. I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like the my Yankee. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican said, I'm frightened.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney. I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man. Thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica?
It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Apia is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong! Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a karate wife dumping run off with a slut ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. Today we're gonna teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kid. Pussy Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for 3 things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer, and 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you and your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Wah, wah, black man. You caught them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on me blood clot, Ross clot. And me say come on.
Ladies and gentlemen. And the Jamaicans here, I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here.
Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man. If I say, what up?
What's up, people? Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Tyrell Reacted. Well, forgive me for giggling and laughing because whatever the videos that I've just watched, and I believe you watched them too, they have just been amazing. I mean, why do people hate on these beautiful people? Why do people hate on this beautiful island, the Caribbean, called Jamaica? I mean, look at all these things that Jamaican has given us. We've been focused on the world of track and field. We've been focused on Jamaica giving us the best dishes. We've been focused on a lot of stuffs. We didn't see this part about comedy from Jamaica. We didn't see this coming. And you can agree with me that the world will be completely boring without Jamaica. Because look at just what we've experienced. I mean, Jamaicans, one love, let me just say that, one love. Good vibes, positive vibes. Now, back to our videos. I believe if these videos didn't make you laugh, if these videos didn't get you rolling on the floor, if these videos didn't get your ribs hurting, man, you're evil. You are evil. Or maybe you're sick, you need medical attention because this was just amazing. It was just amazing because what did I just watch? I mean, I can't express whatever thing I'm feeling right now, but I hope you forgive me and I hope you understand that whatever we've just all watched, it has been amazing. So to those people hating on Jamaica, I'd love to say this. If you think you can do it better than the Jamaicans, if you think you are better than the Jamaicans, why don't the world recognize you? Why can't you do it? Do it so that this title that Jamaica has been crowned, this title that Jamaica has been given, it can be transferred to you. Jamaica is a country that's full of positive vibes. And that everybody can testify. I can testify. All those people who have visited this beautiful island in the Caribbean, they can testify to this. Jamaica, they are indeed great people. Jamaica is a great country. Jamaica, they always have that heart of extending a helping hand. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter if you're black, white, or yellow, or whichever color you are. Once you encounter a Jamaican, be sure you are in the safe hands. And allow me to say this to those people hating on Jamaicans: just get something to do with your time instead of hating on Jamaicans. I mean, among us, the things you can choose to do instead of hating on Jamaicans is telling people how great Jamaica is, spreading the good vibes, and of course, use that time you creating anger or other hatred for this beautiful island. Use that time to love yourself and appreciate your country. That's what Jamaicans do most, and that's why the Jamaicans always stand out from the rest of us. I mean, get something constructive with your time. Why are you hating on this country that's continuously growing, country that's continuously delivering? You have been incapable of delivering what Jamaica is delivering. But now when the Jamaicans are getting the praises that they deserve, you now have a problem. You don't have to come out and say that, oh, Jamaicans think they're the most powerful. Jamaicans think that when somebody refers to the Caribbean, all they think is Jamaica. Oh yes, that's what we think of. You've not given us any other reason to say you are this type of country. You've not given us any other reason. I mean, I'm not hating on any Caribbean countries. I'm completely, don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on any Caribbean countries. What I'm just trying to say is, for those people who are wasting their time hating on Jamaicans, get something constructive to do. Because why do you hate on somebody, or rather on people who are continuously delivering, making sure that the world is happy by what they're doing? It would be really nice if you, as the haters of Jamaica, chose to at least spread some good positive vibes. It doesn't have to be Jamaica. It can be about your country. You can love your country. You can appreciate it. Don't just sit there and say, yo, I love my country. I totally love my country. But you don't praise it. But when other countries are being praised, given titles like Jamaica, you now have time to come out and expose those videos, make videos that don't actually even make sense, but rather they just are put out, or rather expose you to the world with all of that hatred you have in you. You can't hate on a country that's delivering this much. A country that's giving us great comedy, a country that's giving us great music, a country that gave us the fastest man alive, and that's Usain Bolt. A country that has given us the Mummy Rocket, Shelley and Fraser Price. A country that has given us Bob Marley, the legendary himself. A country that's giving us the best dishes. A country that's leads with the best dishes. A country that has the best sceneries. A country that attracts a lot of tourists all around the world. A country that's living the dream life that most people out here are struggling to get. I mean, the list is endless. The list is totally endless. I cannot mention everything. Man, let's appreciate our countries. Let's appreciate Jamaica. It's hard to find a country that's complete. Let me just say, Jamaica is an example of a complete country. A complete country. I hope you understand what I mean. Jamaica is an overall country, giving us everything. May God bless Jamaica, and may God bless everyone. So guys, to my viewers, once again, this video is solely meant for entertainment purposes and educational purposes. I hope I don't lose any subscribers like I lost in my recent video for exposing this truth about Jamaica. But well, I don't care. As much as I'm telling the truth, well, I'm open to anything. So guys, I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions, and remember, if you coming across my videos and my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. To my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, I have to say thank you so much for the love and support you've given unto me. So guys, I'm your host. I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions, and until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.